to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be trying out some clear sequined filled slime. And you guys, I am completely obsessed with this slime. This is honestly the best slime I've ever made. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys step by step how I got this slime to be so magical and so pretty. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed watching. Also go ahead and comment down below any video suggestions, ideas, anything, and also subscribe to my channel to see subscribe to my channel, yes, to see more videos of me. And let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need is 1/4 of a cup of warm water. And this is going to be used to dissolve our baking soda. So with my baking soda right here, I'm going to grab a teaspoon of this. And I'm going to place it in our warm water. We're going to go ahead and stir that up until it is completely clear. You have to make sure that your water is warm, because if it's not, then the baking soda will not dissolve. So now that that's pretty much all cleared up, I'm gonna go ahead and set it aside so it can cool down. Next up, it's time for our Elmer's glue. So for clear slime, you have to have clear glue. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour that out. Alright, so now that we have our glue ready to go, we're going to go ahead and pour our baking soda solution. And by solution, I mean the baking soda and water. And I'm just going to go ahead and stir until I kind of get rid of all those little kind of bubbles. Just kind of stir as much as possible. Now that you're done stirring, you're going to go ahead and add your activator. You have to use some contact solution for it to be clear. So if you add like detergent or anything of that kind, it will not turn out clear. So make sure you use contact solution. So I'm going to pour some in there and stir once again. You'll notice it starts forming when it starts sticking to the sides of your bowl. So just continue what you're doing until it completely comes off. You can add more as you go. I kind of like to do the finger test to see if it's ready. If it's still very sticky, then I know it's not ready. With clear slime, I don't necessarily like to knead it because I don't want to get it dirty, or I don't know. I just don't want to get stuff into it, but if I need to, then I will. Once it starts separating from the bowl like this and gathering together, you know it is ready to go. So now that our slime is ready to go, as you can see, it is in perfect condition. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's not clear. It's still pretty white. And I know you're going to say, what? I thought this was clear slime. So the thing with clear slime is that you actually have to store it. I have a little container right here, and I'm going to go ahead and place our slime here. So we have to store our slime here for 5 to 7 days, and I will say that the more the better. So I will keep it even longer than 7 days for it to be completely clear. So after you waited the 5 to 7 days, this is what your slime should look like. It should be pretty much clear, almost water-like, and I waited approximately 8 days or even 9, I think. So this is what it came out looking like. So I went to Michael's and I saw that they had these kind of like sequins, and I thought what a cool idea to place these into slime. So I think I'm going to start with the big ones. So I'm kind of just going to pour them in like so. This is super fun, you guys. Clear slime is probably my favorite. This was actually the first time I made clear slime, and it honestly just kind of needs patience. Just gotta be patient with it and not, like, don't open your slime. And I would just leave it in your counter. I tried the refrigerator and that didn't work as nice as just leaving it outside in kind of like room temperature, and it worked great. So I'm gonna start kind of flipping it a little bit. Just to make sure it's going to work. And then I'm going to put more. Ooh. This is so much fun, you guys. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pour a little bit more. Can you guys tell how much fun I'm having right now? This slime is coming out so nice. This has to be definitely my favorite slime that I've made. And it just has the right amount of crunch into it. Ugh. It's so good. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add our last little bag. Oh, these are tough to open. Okay. So, last little bag. Alright, I'm gonna take it out now. And this is what our slime looks like. Isn't that so much fun? It is so beautiful. I love it. It's so crunchy. It's just truly the best. you guys found this video kind of easy to follow, that it was useful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on Friday with my next video. Bye.